Namaste everyone. Welcome to the new year 2020. Happy New Year to all of you. If you haven't yet started yoga, then I have a new request for you to start your yoga even if you don't have time, because you can do the yoga in 10 minutes, and that's what we're going to do now. Yoga in 10 minutes. Let's get started. Finding yourself into a nice, comfortable state of body and mind. For this moment, you can be completely free of any thoughts or worries about your work or the daily routine. Now let's make this 10-minute yoga part of your routine as well. Take a moment to become aware of your breath. Now gently open your eyes and bend your knees. Come onto your knees. You will be sitting onto your feet. Bring your hands onto your knees. Vajrasana. Sit in Vajrasana for 30 seconds. Gently open your eyes. Now if you are having some kind of business where you have to sit in the office the whole day, then your digestive system may be effective. So let's get the digestive system be active in this 10-minute yoga series. So make the fist and bring the fist around your navel. So this is the navel, and both sides of the navel we place the fist. Then you inhale and nicely settle the fist on your abdomen, and with exhale, bending forward, taking out all the breath away from your abdomen, and you bending all the way down so that your fist gently massages your internal organs around your abdomen area. Go all the way down. You can stay there for between 10 seconds to up to 30 seconds, depends how you feel while you're doing this asana. And gently come back up and bring your hands back onto your knees and give a rest. Now working on your shoulders. Join the hand this way. Interlock your fingers and rotate your shoulders up, back and down. releasing all the tension from that area. Also very useful as we're sitting whole day and not moving our shoulder as much. So activating them the way around. That's good. Now hips that we don't use as we sit on the chair, on the table, and it's impossible to work onto the hips. So join the sole of the feet together and make sure that your back is nice, upright and straight. Then you shake your knees. By shaking your knees, you are working, stretching your hip joints. And close your eyes if you like. Focus where you're feeling, how you're feeling, and how you're going to feel out. That's good. Now, if you can, hold the toe this way and try to press your elbows onto your legs. If this is not possible, you can simply bring your hands onto your knees. Keep your back straight and pressing your knee down. That's good. Continuing working onto your hips a little bit more. So bring your right leg into your hands and try to bring the leg as higher as possible. The higher the leg, the more stretch you're going to feel. And after that, you're going to shake your leg like a baby. You must be feeling tremendous stretches around this area, so that means you know it's working. Make sure your back remains straight so that you don't hurt your back at the same time. If you can't lift the leg so high, bringing down and keeping this movement is also okay. So as soon just do what is possible into your body. So if you can do this, it's good. If you can bring higher, or if you can bring higher than this, it's also okay. Good. Changing the leg. That's good. And now, very important, the back. So come on to the knees and palms. Then inhale, bringing your head up, arching your back, giving nice stretch to your spine. Exhale, bending, hunching your back. Try and bring your chin towards the chest all the way. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale and exhale. And gently drop yourself down into child pose. You can rest your legs for a few seconds to up to a few minutes, and you're done. Gently sit up. If you have time, you can go ahead, close your eyes and take a moment to see how you're feeling now after doing the 10-minute practice of yoga, and how this practice is going to continue to keep you focused throughout the day. So thank you very much for joining me at Yoga with Amit, and thank you for starting your 10-minute yoga. I hope that you continue doing this practice. So keep me updated. If you have any question, any comment, then comment in the comment section down below and keep me updated. Thank you very much again, and see you in my next video. Namaste.